Hello, welcome. Let's see how long it will take you to provide answer to this question. This is WASSCE 2025 January-February edition. In the diagram, the square OWST is drawn with the vertex X on the circumference of the circle. The center is O. So if the radius of the circle is 12 centimeters, you have to find the length of the arc SY. So you have to bear in mind how to find the length of an arc. So we know that the length of an arc is given by theta over 360 times what? The circumference of that circle, which is 2 pi r. So in this case, we need to focus on the formula and see what are the items that we need. We need the theta, meaning the angle subtended by that arc at the center. We also need the value of pi, which is not given, and in this question it is left without what being substituted by each value. Then the r, which is the radius. So the radius has been provided already. So the only thing we need is the angle subtended by that arc at the center. Now if you look at it carefully, the line from the center to y is the radius, and a line from the center to x should also be a radius. We know a sector. If I have an arc, which is this arc will have an extension from its end, providing an angle at the center. This is what we need. So we know the length OY. We also need to know the length OS. And if OS is introduced, that gives us the sector OXY. With the length we introduce is the same as the 12 centimeters. We know a line from the center to the circumference is radius. So here will also be 12 centimeters. So if I'm taking this, and this line drawn here is the diagonal of the square. You know, the angles at the corners of every sector is 90 degrees. And the diagonal bisect that angle into two. Meaning, if I've redrawn this diagram with a straight line, where this is coming from here, this will go this way. It means this angle is being bisected, so it gives us what? 45 degrees. Then this is our y, this is our s, this is 12 centimeter, and this is 12 centimeter. So coming back to the formula, all we needed has been provided. So I only say that by substitution, I have 45 degrees divided by 360 degree times 2 pi. Let me include the pi times what? 12, all in centimeters. Remember, 9 can go into this place 5 times, right? 9 can go here 4. So you're having 1 on 8 right from here. Then times, this is going to be 24 pi. 8 is a factor of 24, so it goes there 3 times. So I should be left with 3 pi centimeter length. We can also replace the pi with its value and find the actual value without the pi. But in this question, the options are left with pi being included in the answer. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.